You know, shipping cost to the final customer is the biggest issue that most SMEs have when they want to go into export. Now, the question I always have is, what is it that the big companies are doing that makes them to dominate the market, making it difficult for SMEs to break in? What is it that they are doing that lowers their shipping cost below the level that the SMEs can get? You know, this has worried me for so long until I dug deep to find out what it is that they are doing. And I'm going to be releasing a free training. In fact, all you need to do is to click the link below. You're going to get access to this free training that is going to show you what the big companies are doing that enables them to ship at way lower cost than most of you SMEs. You're going to see how to save over 60% on shipping. You're going to see how to have those items delivered in as little as 2 to 3 days to your customers. And again, this solution is what is going to help you to get real loyal customers who keep coming back over and over again. Now, I'm going to also allow you after the training to try the solution absolutely free for 45 days. Look, in these 45 days, you will be amazed at how much you can save. Imagine where you were shipping an item, one item for $100. You now have a solution that allows you to ship it for $50. That's a 50% saving. So imagine if on a monthly basis, you are doing 50 or over 100 shipments, saving $50 per shipment. That is the solution that SMEs need to increase their profitability, increase their revenue, and have more customers in their export business, allowing you to earn more in dollars. Again, this is an innovative solution. Only the large companies have had access to it, but now we are making it available to SMEs. Click the link below to join this training. It's absolutely free. And again, like I said, after the training, I'm going to give you 45 days free trial of the solution. You will be amazed how much you can save. Click the link below to get started, and I will see you soon.